We're gonna take the air cleaner off. The housing has to come out as well. So we got a couple snap clamps here, and we've got our clamp over here. And undo this connector right here. Clean that out of the way. It rolls backward.
Oh, I get you.
Let's pull that up. The air cleaner out. Housing is just held in with some rubber grommets here.
Just be able to pull it right up and out.
Yeah. Just have the 3 rubber grommets that you gotta just find a way to line up. Okay, those are all lined up. And we got the air filter that Tony's gonna buy a new one.
It's perfectly fine.
Just blow it out, right? Yeah.
It's like a t-shirt. You wear it inside out and it's clean again. Or is that a pair of underwear?
Not scared me here, people. Yeah.
Hey, I've had people asking on the channel, why don't we swear?
Why don't we?
I usually edit all that out. We'll have to have a behind the scenes clip.
Yeah.
There you go, I heard it.
Yeah. Cleaner housing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's back on tape. Got our electrical connector here. Plug it in, slide the lock down. Okay, it's tight.
So that's it, guys. Another repair done. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment or reply back.